Hello, this is Ashi from Crafting with Ashi and welcome to this video. This is the card we're making today. Really bright and happy thank you card. So let's get started. We're going to start off with the stamping first. And the stamp set we're going to be using is this one, and it's a favourite of mine, So Sentimental. And this was in the Spring Summer catalogue, but it is carrying over to the next annual catalogue, so I'm very pleased about that. So let's get started. I've got here some Whisper White, and we're going to be stamping in Mossy Meadow. So let's just ink this up and then stamp, hold it. I'm not having a great day today with stamping, I have to say. I don't know what's wrong. Yeah, it'll do. I don't know what's wrong. Maybe it's because I'm not feeling, to be very honest with you, I'm not feeling very well. And maybe that's why it's not working, I don't know. But anyway, I want to get these things filmed before so that I can get things done, so I'm not left with everything to the last minute. So that's where I am. Now I should have said the punch I'm using to punch everything out here is the Label Me Lovely punch, and I just punched out my sentiment and I punched out another piece in Mossy Meadow. Now I'm going to cut this piece in half. First need to get my scissors out in order to do that. Okay. Sorry about the noise. It is one of those days where I haven't got everything ready nicely, and it's just one of those days, unfortunately. But I've been wanting to film this for the last 3 days and I haven't done it, so I'm doing it today, come what may, because I really need to get it done, because I don't like leaving things to the last minute. And I always try and do my videos about 2 weeks ahead of time, so that I don't leave everything to the last minute, and it just makes me feel better. So there, I've matted everything up, so I'm just going to put that aside to dry for a second and bring in the rest of our bits. So our card base is a thick Whisper White, and this is an A6 card base. That's an A4 sheet cut in half. And then the next piece I've got here is 2 pieces here of the Designer Series papers, and this is called See a Silhouette. And then I've also got a piece here of Whisper White. So I have all the measurements on my blog, because there's quite a few, and if you want the measurements, just go to my blog and they'll all be there. So we're just going to stick everything to each other, and I'm going to use some snail because I think it's the safest for me at the moment, likely to make the least amount of boo-boos with my snail. Doesn't, you know, I can't stick my finger in the glue the way I can with Tombow or anything else like that, and I haven't got this straight. That's really skew, so let's try and pull it up. Of course, when I want to pull it up, it doesn't want to come up. Other times it comes up without any problems, and this time it just wants to cause me issues because it's fed up with me. Okay, and now my snail's run out. It's really not my... Oh, everything's against me today. It's not fair. So now I am going to have to use my Tombow because my snail's run out. And then we're going to put this on the back of this piece of Designer Series paper, like that. And then we're going to some Tombow on the back here. And we're going to stick this down to our card base here. Okay, and then we're going to bring this back, and you can see I've stuck my fingers in glue again. Oh dear. And then we're going to use some dimensionals, which is finished too. It's just not what I've got. This one I did think ahead, but I've got another one here with me. Okay, so take the backs off this. We're just going to plonk this in the centre. Yeah, I was just checking I had the card the right way up, because given how things are going today, I wouldn't put that past me that I'd put the thing upside down. So I've got here the Noble Peacock rhinestones, and I'm going to use the greeny one here, and I'm just going to put it, where should I put it here? Tail of the Y. And all mishaps aside, I don't think it came out that badly. So I hope you like the project. I really do. I love these bright colours. They make me happy. Do you like bright colours, or do you prefer pastel colours? Let me know in the comments below. So thank you again, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe for future videos. If you want any information, as I said, the sizes, etc., supply list, it'll be on the blog post, and the link to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.